West Michigan researchers moving closer toward treatment for a cancer that is rare in the United States but deadly.
They're part of an international team finding clues by traveling the globe to a place where the cancer strikes a much larger share of the population.
24-hour News 8's Tony Talia sat down today with a researcher from the Andel Institute and his colleague from Thailand to talk about the effort aimed at saving lives here as well as abroad.
Sue and Brian, the international research effort is focused on bile duct cancer, a type of liver cancer rare in the United States. But researchers tell us that in northeast Thailand, it is 450 times more prevalent.
It's a silent killer in our place.
Most of these patients die, and there is no effective drug.
But it is that tragedy that creates an opportunity in the search for how bile duct cancer hits and how to cure it. More people with the disease means more patients to study. Andel Institute investigator Dr. Bin Tay has now been to northeast Thailand twice, bringing patients' genetic information back to Grand Rapids on these tiny gene chips.
All the 20,000 genes are captured in this small slide.
It's an international effort. Tay teamed with researchers in Thailand and Singapore, and their work has yielded results.
So we so far have found that several important genes that we know about seem to play a role in this type of cancer.
With it, they've identified genes to target with therapy.
Obviously, it's going to take more research to confirm that these new targets that we identify will be of benefit to these patients in treating this disease.
But why is the cancer so common in northeast Thailand? The answer lies in these fish. Parasites called liver flukes live inside them. Those parasites are linked to bile duct cancer. And for years, farmers have eaten the fish raw.
Tradition dies hard. It's very difficult to change the culture.
More education could reduce the cancer rates there, but studying how the parasites interact with the body and grow the cancer could lead to answers about how the cancer grows in patients here who have no contact with the parasites. It's work that is in some ways personal for Tay. Two close friends have been diagnosed with bile duct cancer.
Obviously, it's going to take more research to eventually achieve our goal of finding a cure for this cancer. But at least we have taken the first step.
Tay plans to visit Thailand again in the next 6 months as the research continues. Sue?